New song every week? Then subscribe now.
Hello friends, welcome to video again. Today we are going to unbox Karbonn A30. This is a newly launched phablet which has got 5.9 inch display, and it runs on Android ice cream sandwich, 1 GHz processor, 8 megapixel camera, Wi-Fi 3G, which has got face detection and gesture sensor also. Let's open the box and see the content. So here's the phone. This is the leather cover, the white color cover. Let's open this and look at the device. So here's the device. This is quite big. Let's keep it aside and look at the other stuff in the box. So what else we have? Here we have the battery. This is quite a big battery. This is a 2500 mAh battery. We have the earphone. This is a white color earphone, which looks like the Apple earphones which comes with the iPod or iPhone. And here's the data cable, the USB data cable. See, regular USB to the mini USB. And we have the charging head. So here's the cover. This is the back panel, black color. This is a plastic one, and we have got this is the warranty card, warranty booklet, and the service center list here. And this is the user manual. This you can read this later. So let's put the battery into the mobile and switch on the device. This has got a silver back, the battery. You can notice that on the silver back there is no logo of Karbonn here. Only on the back black panel we have the logo. So yes, it starts. So this is the home screen. Let's unlock this, and we'll be back with the full review of this device. This is quite an interesting device, as this is a huge, it's got a huge display. We'll be back very soon with the full review. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.